guys, happy 2020. No, you're not seeing a ghost. I'm Andre Dior. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time ever seeing my face, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my gang, Andre Army, because we're lit, we're bougie, and we always have a really good time on this channel. So I know this is the first time you guys are seeing me for 2020. Like, can you believe that? For the first video of the year, I'm gonna just jump in and do an unboxing because I'm really excited. And this one I've been wanting to do for so long, and it's on something I bought myself because I feel like I deserve it. I've been working my butt off. I started my own company, my own business. I wanted to start my own business for such a very long time. It's called Clean Feets. And through working my own business and company, I'm like, it's time to treat myself. I haven't bought myself anything since Christmas. All of January, I just been grinding, working. So today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So if you wanna see me unbox it, then keep on watching. From Apple, even though it's in an AT&T bag because I have AT&T. Disclaimer, I've been using my phone now going on, I think this is the second week. So I've had it for 2 weeks now, and I got the rose gold 520 whatever the storage is, and this is it. The gold, hold on, the gold iPhone 11 Pro Max. Open. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. So my phone is already, you know, activated and set up. Let me show you the phone. This is how it looks. If y'all can see, it's gold. iPhone, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Don't get into my messages. Coming from the A Plus to the 11 Pro Max. And I gotta say, I love it. This is the box it comes in. 11 Pro Max. I'm so proud of myself. I bought it myself. I paid it off. So I got my phone from Apple. But I have my carrier that I'm with, phone company is, you know, AT&T. But I bought my phone unlocked. So that means that I could, say if I don't want to be with AT&T no more, I could switch my 11 Pro Max to Sprint, Verizon, T-Mobile, Metro, Boots, whatever. Like if I don't want to be, and I could just put any SIM card and switch at any time. So this is what I like. So I'm happy I got it as an unlocked phone. I'm still learning how to use it, coming from the A Plus, coming from a home button. It's pretty fast, the pictures. So let me show you guys. So as you guys can see, it has 3 cameras on the back. I don't know what each of them does because I'm not that techie, but you get it. And let me show you guys how those 3 cameras actually work. I'm gonna put, hold on, my hand back here, and I'm gonna show you. This is on regular. This is far. So you can see my YouTube setup, and this is the near camera. It gets very, and then this is regular. So I thought that was pretty cool. Then you have portrait. You can see my hand, and you have portrait studio lighting, and you can adjust. And now you can also do portrait on the front. There's you guys. There's my room. But yeah, it really doesn't have a home button. So say I'm in mail, right? You would swipe up. So this bar right here, basically, that's your home button to close stuff, open stuff, I guess. I'm obsessed with it. Battery life is amazing. My phone is literally on 85%. And I left the house at what? Morning time. It is now 12:07 at night, and my phone is an 85%, and it's now 12:07 at night. So Apple definitely stepped it up with battery, so I'm so happy with that. Like when you're using apps or social media apps, your phone is not dying super fast. The phone does come with regular headphones, but I already have AirPods. Yeah, I also want to show you guys pictures and videos. Like if you guys saw a comparison with this phone and my A Plus, you would be like, whoa, it's night and day. Like this picture. Baddie. Like, the quality is insane on the 11 Pro Max. The pictures is like immaculate. I feel like I could substitute my iPhone 11 Pro Max for a DSLR camera. That's how good it is. It's slightly heavier than my A+, but not like significantly, but it definitely has some weight to it. Phone calls are clearer and louder. My text messages, I'm finally getting my messages again. Fun fact, when you have an older iPhone like the A+ or the 7 Plus, Apple slows down those phones and you don't get messages or calls, or you miss things like in your notification center. So it was definitely time for an upgrade. So jumping from the 8 Plus all the way to 11 Pro, because what did they do? They did 8 Plus, they did the 10, they did the 10XS, 10S Pro, the iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I was definitely behind. I was like, I cannot start 2020 with that phone, especially being like an influencer and being like, you know, a YouTuber. I'm like, I need the latest phone because my phone was just acting crappy. So right now I'm going to show you guys of the new features that the iPhone can do. They should have never gave me this. Blue. Dreams in an R&B rapper. I'm just singing, but I'm playing. But yeah. Right? I think that is so cute and cool. It's called Imovie. If you're thinking about getting the iPhone 11 Pro Max, definitely go out and get it. I recommend it. It's huge. Like, it just looks so dope. I got a glass screen protector because I'm not clumsy. Yes, I am clumsy. Yes, I am. But in case I drop my phone, I have this spec hard candy shell. Like, this is from Apple, so this is like $50, and the glass protector is also $50. But I'm gonna also get an outer box just because I'm like, it's an investment. The brand new 11 Pro Max unlocked. I cannot have any scratches, cracks, or damages. I just can't, because I don't plan on getting a new phone anytime soon. Yeah, no, I'm late. I got it in January. It's probably February now, but I got the phone in January last week. I'm so happy. It's just an awesome phone. The pictures, immaculate. Calls sound better. When you're listening to music, it sounds like surround sound stereo now. I think that's a new feature Apple actually also mentioned too. Like, say you're watching Netflix or YouTube video, it now sounds like your entire room, you can hear the sound from your phone, and there's speakers on both sides. On this side you have 2 speakers, and you also have 2 speakers here.
Action, ready for the thumping, ready for the thumping, ready for the thumping. Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. My ties them tick like pumpkin. Look on me, big body jumping. My money tick like a common dumpling. Remix style of the vocal.
But yeah, that's just a clip. I feel like it sounds, the quality has also improved. Like, I can be listening to music in my room and hear it in the kitchen in my house while I'm washing dishes, and I'm like, no way. And it's not plugged into a speaker, it's just from the phone. Definitely upgrade, get your iPhone 11 Pro. I'm hyped. I got an iPhone 11 Pro. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 11 Pro Max? Do you feel like upgrading? Do you think it's worth upgrading? Comment what phone you have currently. Comment what phone you want to get next. Comment your thoughts on the 11 Pro Max or Apple in general. I would love to hear about it, and you know, I like talking out and interacting with you guys. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @AndreDior_. I love you guys for watching. Stay blessed, and yeah, see y'all in my next video.